Okay, what up folks? So we got a 2015 Volkswagen Amarok, right? Customer complaint is that he has a hard start. I'm not sure exactly what's going on. So let's get into it. Customer came in with a hard starting, long cranking, you name it, vehicle, right? So let's see if we can verify customer complaint and see what's good. See, it starts right up and shut right off. All right, so we don't have no check engine light. I'm trying to see if I could get you out of the glare. So let's try to start it again. So you normally just have to keep cranking this vehicle until it starts, and it seems like it's a timing issue. Okay, so let's do an auto scan and let's see what we could pick up using the scan tool. I'm trying to see if I could get you out of the glare. It's really hot today. All right, so this customer said that he had an issue with his timing before, where he took it to previous shop and the car stalled on him, or it wasn't starting when he tried to start it at home. And well, he's kind of fed up that he keeps spending his money and not seeing, you know, no progress, right? So they got it here as a 2015 Volkswagen Amarok, and we're gonna go straight to ECU and let's see exactly if we can pick anything up. I'm not gonna do a full scan because, as I said, it sounds like it's an engine problem. I may scan it still because that's for, you know, CYA, but I just want to see what trouble codes we got. And we got a P0016 crank positions, cam position correlation. So that's really letting me know that we have a timing issue. Let's go in the hood and let's see exactly the setup. We got some timing marks that be on the injector pump and on this camshaft here, and we also got to line up the crankshaft, right? I'm not sure exactly what happened at the previous shop, right? This customer said that he took his vehicle to a shop to replace the timing belt, and ever since the vehicle has been having this problem. Okay, so we're gonna make sure that we don't follow the same footsteps that these guys do, and we're gonna use the proper tool with the proper technique, right? So I gotta ensure that the crankshaft is on top dead center and line up the two slots for the injector pump and the camshaft. Once that is done, I believe that our time is going to be spot on, right? So I'm just going to rotate it till it comes to top dead center on the crankshaft, and I will take everything from there. Okay, so fellas, you gotta be careful, man, out there, because you could end up costing yourself more. Okay, so I'm going to show you exactly what's going on. All right, I'm going to see if I could get the ball scope to show you where the pinhole is to the back of the plate. Is not lining up with the camshaft at all. Right here, kind of hard to keep my hands steady, so I'm just going to take a picture. So right now, that's not lined up at all. It's off a little bit, and you can tell also because the camshaft is look like it's too retard this way. Okay, these bolts basically will line up somewhat in the middle, where the fuel pump, right, you see that is too much retard, right, well, advanced. So right now that's causing this vehicle to give you a hard start because the timing is off, right? My crankshaft is hooked up, right? I got my mark right there down below, and yeah, so we're gonna rectify this timing and we're supposed to start up. I mean, lucky thing that you know, the valves didn't get hit or timing was off so much that it was damaged the valves and brake rockers. So what I got here is the crankshaft. I got a white mark on it. I just gotta remove this bracket, but it's kind of hard for you to see. So let me see if I can get you close up. Alright, so I put that white mark on the crankshaft pulley. Alright, so I gotta put the installation tool on the camshaft and on the diesel pump, and before I remove anything else. Okay, so you have a hole in the back of the plate, right, where you gotta get the timing tool to line up. Kind of hard to get. I'm sure you can see it right now. Okay, so we gotta release these bolts up front and see if we could get that to align properly, and then, as I said, we gotta find a way where we can get this one set up as well.
Hold on, yeah, you know me. Late night, all night, don't need no sleep. Hey, hold on. Whole life been right about right now. Whole lot chick chit chat. Can't do that, settle down, pipe down. On the kitchen floor, on the church sauce, young Mike Moonwalk. Always been a star in the sky, you did not get tuned out. Hey, yeah, I'm flashing, yeah, yeah. Not ratchets, hey, yeah. Quick flipping, yeah, yeah. Big mattress, hey, yeah. Don't ask me, hey, yeah. We taxing, hey, yeah. New address, hey, yeah. Can't move backwards. Hold on, yeah, 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 you know me. Late night, all night, don't need no sleep. Hey, hold on, okay now, don't know, don't speak. Hey, get down, hold click down. On God, on now with the business. Ain't no feelings, ain't no dreaming. Yeah, loud when I whip it, I ain't turning down the speakers. No, eyes bloodshot, I've been burning out the daylight too. I got responsibilities, so I can play with you.
So with everything lined up, I can remove these pins off the camshaft and injector pump. And yeah, time is supposed to be spot on, right? So I'm just going to rotate it a few times to ensure all is well before I, start this vehicle up. Right, so let's head into the vehicle and see what's good. Alright, sounds real good, man. It started up real easy. So I'm going to call this a fix. So y'all fellas gotta be careful out there, man. Again, of course, you're an engine. I mean, this engine's not cheap either. It's a Volkswagen. So the correct tool and technique, this definitely was a success. So let's scan this vehicle and let's ensure that all the 4 codes is off this car. Right now, let's do auto VIN. Right, so we just saw that I was able to correct the timing, and make sure all is well, all the bolts are secured and stuff like that. So let's press OK. Alright, 2015 Amarok. Alright, so let's go into just the engine alone. I'm not going to do a full scan because the code keep popping up on the engine side, which is a P0016. Right, cam and crank correlation is off. So let's go into engine management only. Press OK. And let's see if the 4 code is still there. I'm not sure if it still might be there, but I wasn't able to clear it. But I don't think I need to do any basic setting and stuff like that. So you see it, the code is still there from previously. So we're going to erase it. Alright, ignition off, engine off. Are you sure? Yes. So we're just gonna make sure that we don't have no 4 codes on this vehicle. Alright, let's come out of there. Alright, so let's start the vehicle up and see what's going on. Start up in one bounce. We don't got no check engine light on or glow plug fashion. Alright, so let's come out of here. Let's go right back in, and we're going to go right back to the ECM, and let's do same scan again. I gotta put it on ignition. Alright, so that's trouble code, no 4 codes. There you have it. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment down in the box, like, subscribe, share, comment. I mean, it's not going to cost you much to, support the channel. I definitely appreciate y'all. So we was able to handle this P0016 code, and the customer is going to be ecstatic. So you know what we do. Until next time, peace.